Good morning. The sun is rising. Listen, birds are singing.
The morning feels calm.
The neighborhood is waking up.
I love peaceful mornings.
Today will be simple.
Simple days can be happy days.
Let's start our morning. Everything feels quiet. I woke up early today.
You always wake early.
Morning is my favorite time.
Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Emily. I will make coffee.
That smells nice already.
The house is very quiet. Coffee first, always coffee. Fresh coffee beans.
I can hear the grinder.
The smell is wonderful. Hot water now.
I smell the coffee.
Perfect. Just perfect. Coffee is ready.
Good morning, world. I think Jack made coffee. Time to get up. Yes, I smell coffee. Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Emily.
Morning, Jack.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
I made coffee for you. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Careful, it's hot.
More dishes. You make great coffee.
Breakfast soon.
What are we eating?
Eggs and toast.
That sounds good. It smells amazing. Can I help?
Yes, please set the table.
2 plates. 2 forks. And napkins.
I will make toast.
Good idea.
Breakfast is ready.
It looks wonderful.
Let's eat. Let's eat.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
These eggs are great.
Thank you
For what?
for being you.
You're welcome. Peaceful morning. The room is messy.
Yeah, it is.
We should clean up.
After a break, we can clean together.
I will gather books.
I will vacuum.
Okay, go for it. I will clean the table.
Cleaning feels good.
Yes, very satisfying.
The shelf needs organizing.
Almost done. The room looks better. Much better.
Great job.
Teamwork works.
Yes, it does.
Now it feels fresh. Laundry time. Let's sort clothes.
Okay, good idea.
I'll start from the top.
Got it. White clothes here.
Dark clothes here.
Add detergent.
Press start.
The machine is working.
Good.
Let's organize closet.
I will fold shirts.
I will hang jackets.
Looks organized. Nice work. Very neat. The garden looks nice.
Flowers are blooming.
These roses are beautiful.
Plants need water.
I will water them.
Good care helps plants grow.
The air smells fresh.
I will cut the grass.
Be careful!
All good.
Okay, be careful. Garden looks better.
It really does. Hard work pays off.
Very peaceful.
Let's rest.
Good idea. Sunset is beautiful.
Evening is here.
Let's cook dinner.
Pasta sounds good.
I will cut vegetables.
I will boil water.
Dinner smells great.
Food is ready.
Let's eat.
Today was productive.
It really was.
We make a good team.
We do. Yes, we did many things.
Cleaning, gardening, cooking. It really is.
Simple life is good.
Couldn't agree more. I agree.
Good night.